I am not having any rows in this particular table, but the table structure remains same. Correct? The table structure remains same. When I say remains same, the table structure is available now. Whenever I want, I can what that insert data into this table. Now if you see, now if you see, there are some 2998 records have been there. So you could see like the table structure is there, but the data is not there in the previous statement. Now come to another command, drop table. Means like if your manager asked you to delete the structure of the table along with the rows whichever reside in that particular table. So you can just go with the drop table command. So if you drop table name, then that's it. The rows, the data whichever inside this particular table, it will be vanished, and the table structure also will be vanished. See, invalid object name, TBL employee details. So if you see message number 208, you can again search invalid object name. So whenever you see invalid object name, that object name is either not existed in that particular database, or it's not been binded for the particular schema. By default, it is binded to the DBO schema. Okay. So now